Hey guys, what's up? We got a box break here for Charlie Spikes. It's been a while since I've done one of these. He's going to get box number... Just a second. Right there, and that will match up against the number that that's on eBay. So yeah, here we go. Should be 2 autographs and 2 inserts, I believe. So we shall see. It's gonna be a ton of packs. Put these in here. Box empty. And we'll start with the Kobe pack. Get a chance to get a Kobe Bryant autograph here. I don't think any of these are numbered. We'll check though. Okay. Alright, we're off. You got a refractor, Prizm refractor, Magic Johnson. There's one. It's a good one. Austin Rivers, rookie autograph. Pretty nice card. Got another refractor. Looks like an insert refractor. Brandon Jennings, Downtown Bound, not numbered. Nice looking cards. Base. Base. Got an insert of Robert Parrish, finalist. Anthony Hardaway, my favorite player. Got an insert of Russell Westbrook, USA. These are really nice looking cards. I like these cards. Russell Westbrook. base. And you got a refractor, Charlie Villanueva. Prizm refractor. Jeremy Lin. Got another refractor, Terry Porter. We got 2 packs left for this. Okay. We're still looking for an autograph, actually. Ricky Rubio. Here it is. Andrew Nicholson, rookie autograph. Not numbered. Michael Kidd Gilchrist. Last pack, brother. Base. Alright, buddy, man. I'll get this stuff out to you tomorrow. And if you have any questions, just hit me up on eBay. Alright, thanks a lot. See you.